today's topic is different for me because the car business is different than it was 6 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Things are totally different now. And I want people to kind of get to thinking ahead. So today's video, I want everybody to get to thinking ahead. If your lease is up in 3 months, if your lease is up in 6 months, be thinking ahead. And this leads to today's topic, which is getting your car off the lot or ordering your car. And a lot of people go to the dealership and they think, you know what, I got to get what's off the lot. Instead of thinking about, maybe I can order that car the way I want my car, instead of giving us all these options of the things that you want. When you are looking to actually order a car, whether you're coming to General Motors, Chrysler, Ford, Mercedes, BMW, find out whether there are certain times that you can order your vehicle. I did a little bit of homework and I found out that Subaru, they only do their ordering every 90 days. That's what I heard. That was my research on that, because I was researching other brands. So Subaru, you can't order your car when you want to order your car. But I know that I can just speak for General Motors. If you are looking to order a car, you can order a car anytime you want to. We don't have certain day or a certain month, as long as it is allocated, which means that as long as that color is available. So if you said you wanted your car to be yellow, or you wanted your car to be orange, or you wanted the car to be a color that is not available and General Motors is not offering it, you can't order the car. Reasons why you should get your car right now off the lot instead of ordering your car. The pro, you get the current rebates that are available. When you order your car off the lot right now, the manufacturer, General Motors, which is the manufacturer, they offer rebates. It may be anywhere from $250 all the way up to $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000. It just honestly depends on how General Motors feels about the rebate they're going to give on that particular vehicle. So when you get your car off the lot, you're going to get the rebates that are available right then and there. The rebates at General Motors are good for only 30 days. Another reason why you want to get your car off the lot is that if you have a trade-in and you want that value to stay. Because when you trade in a car, we can't hold the value for 90 days, for 3 months, or 4 months, unless something doesn't change. But usually the value on your car lasts for 30 days. And in some cases, it might not even last 30 days because maybe you put another 1,000 or 2,000 miles on it within that month. So honestly, it really just depends. Another reason why you want to get your car off the lot right now, your lease is up right now, and you didn't plan to get out your car, and you just realized 2 months before you was getting out your car, or 2 months before your lease was up, or 30 days before your lease is up, hey, I need to get another car. Then, of course, you're going to get your car off the lot. At the dealership, we believe in right now. We don't want to hear about 2 months, 3 months, 4 months later. If you are a customer and you want that certain car, you need to order your car. If customers are dedicated to you and you have a relationship with that customer, when that customer orders that car, they're going to get that car from you. You already locked them in, because they already built the car that they actually wanted. Reasons why you want to order a car. In some cases, people may see this video and say, Regina, I don't care whether customers orders a car or they don't order a car, right? Well, I don't care whether they order the car or they get the car off the lot. I'm learning that when you order a car, you have a lot more options. And I'm learning that it's really honestly not about right now. It's about that customer being committed, because if a customer orders their car, they're committed to you. Now, one reason why you want to order a car is you're going to get that car exactly how you want it. You're going to be able to go to the manufacturer website, which is General Motors, and you're going to be able to build that car like you want it, as long as the color, the options, the equipment is available. But realize that car is not going to hit the dealership lot for 6 to 8 weeks. Another reason why you want to order your car is you can choose the dealer that you want to deal with. So if you come to Joe Longhammer Chevrolet and I don't have the car that you want, you go to the website and you build the car, you know what you want. You can call me or come make an appointment to see me, or come see me and say, you know what, this is the car, I want to order it. Did everything online. Can you order it for me? Because if I don't have your car on the lot, or your car is not available, then I got to go somewhere else in someone's inventory and get the car. And it is an option for the dealership to say, you know what, I don't want to trade with you. I don't. Or that vehicle is for someone else. Number two is that dealerships sometimes are going to want a deposit when you order a car. They might want $100, they might want $200, they might want $500, they might want money. But if you are ordering a car and it's a hot car, we're not going to ask you to leave us a deposit, because we know that if you don't take that car, then we can sell that car. Another reason why you want to order your car is that you actually are going to be the first butt to sit in it. You probably say the first butt. It's not going to be a lot of people sitting in your seat. Now it's going to be someone at the plant where the car is being built. When the driver or the truck driver drops off the car, they're gonna sit in it because they got to move it to a certain space where the dealer wants it. And then when the car is checked in at the dealership, someone at the dealership is gonna actually sit their butt in the seat. And then when your salesperson or whoever you're getting that car from, they're gonna have to sit their butt in the seat. Anyway, when you order a car, you have less butts in the seat, and it's Corona. You're not gonna have the car with miles on it, because if you ordered your car from the factory, ain't nowhere in the world when you get in your car there's 30 miles on it, or 50 miles on it, or 100 miles on it. And if it is, then you need to be what? You need to be asking some serious questions, because why does my car have miles on it? So anyway, today's video, I hope this helped. Reasons why you should get your car off the lot, and reasons why you should not get your car off the lot. Order your car if you can. But let me just say this. When you order your car, just make sure that you can lease the car or buy the car. Because in some cases, depends on what dealership you go to, we're going to ask for a credit application. And what they're going to do is they're going to get you approved before your car gets here. Or they're going to just look at your credit to make sure that you can buy a car or that you can lease a car. Because don't just think that, just because you can order a car, you can get that car and you never bought a car before. But remember this, when you order the car, approvals are only good 30 days. So when that car comes in 60 days or 90 days later or 2 months, 3 months later, same thing, then the dealership's gonna have to get you approved again. The great thing about leasing is that we only have one leasing company. Actually, we got two. We got GM Financial and we got LI. But most of the leases now we do is through GM Financial, because most of our programs are through GM Financial. And the reason I'm telling you this is because that means that we'll pull your credit, the leasing company will pull your credit, and then nobody else will pull your credit. So you won't have all these inquiries on your credit report. And one more thing, if you order a car, remember, just because we quote you a payment that when you look to order your car, we can give you an estimate, because we can find a car similar to the one you want, and we can give you a payment on that. Can't give you a payment on your actual car because it's not built, but we can find a car that's similar and give you a payment. But remember, when that car comes in, we have to look at the rebates that are on right that particular month. So I hope this video helps. And if you are thinking about ordering a Chevy, I'm your girl, Regina, the queen of car loans and credit at Joe Longhammer Chevrolet. Hope this video helped. You never thought about ordering a car? Think about ordering a car, because you can get a car exactly how you want it. I had a customer order her first Tahoe from me, so I'm excited about that. She's coming out a Ford F-150, and she ordered that Tahoe just like she wanted. I can't wait till it gets here, because what? Because it's a beautiful color. The seats are nice. I'm excited. I think I might be more excited than what she is. All right, guys, thanks for watching.